Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? In this video, I'll show you a proven method to make money bag 3K per week. Imagine having the financial freedom to live life on your own terms. With this simple strategy, you can achieve just that. The key to making money bag 3K per week is by starting your own online business. Don't worry, you don't need any prior experience. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up your online business, from finding a profitable niche to launching your website. Learn how to attract customers and drive traffic to your website using proven marketing strategies. Discover the secrets to converting website visitors into paying customers and maximizing your sales. I'll share with you the tools and resources you need to automate your business and make money while you sleep. By following this proven method, you can achieve financial success and make money bag 3K per week, giving you the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.